Incident response and reporting. Now this topic is very important because when you will be in cyber security, definitely these are the things you will have to do. If any incident is happening, you need to know what exactly you have to do from the starting to the end and how you have to repeat. We'll talk about all these things in this video. We'll cover each and every steps one by one. So here is the incident response 6 steps plan that what exactly you have to do if any incident happen. Let's say this ransomware happen. Let's say any device is compromised. Then how you have to go step by step. So the number one is the preparation, right? So you need to preparation. You need to check what exactly happening. Correct. You need to prepare that what are the teams you have to select. All these things you have to do in the first stage where you are preparing yourself and the team in order to handle those situations. Now second is identification. Now you need to identify what kind of ransomware is, what kind of device has been compromised, and what are the other things which you can get the so in the identification, generally I can say the information gathering, and in the containment you have to know containment. Eradication is near about the same thing, that in the containment you are just going to figure out that what exactly happening, the analysis part I can say, right? Eradication is your like a mitigation, right? Where you need to eradicate all those things. And the recovery, the fifth point is the recovery, where you need to, if the device has been compromised, then you need to take it out again in your network, because once the device has been compromised, the first point is itself is isolating that particular machine, right? So recovery is the fifth point, and at the last we have the review. You need to review all your points where you have to check each and everything in terms of IOCs, that is the indicator of compromise, in terms of IOA, whatever the you can say indicators you have. Now the next one is the reporting time, or you can say the management flow diagram, right? So how actually it works. So the detection, then registration, classification, diagnosis, resolution, and closure. So this is also one of the way to report, right? So the first one is that you detected one of the incident or malware, you have to registration or register it wherever it is required. Then classification, what classification it is, diagnosis, and the resolution of that particular incident, what you have taken the steps, and at the last closure, right? So this is how it complete its cycle. Now again, let's talk about some of the highlighted points in this video of related to incident response and reporting. So incident response is a plan for dealing with security breaches. It outlines steps to take when a security incident occurs. Quick and effective response minimize damage to recovery time. Reporting is a critical part of incident response. When the incident response you have taken care, you need to report it as well. In India, we report to India CERT team. Maybe if you are from US or other part of the world, you need to report your to government agency who handle the cyber security. Now, it involves documenting, notifying the relevant parties about the incident. Incident response plan specify rules and responsibilities. Communication is key during the incident response. Timely reporting help assess the impact and scope of the incident. Learning from incident strengthens future cybersecurity measures. So here, what is the coming here? The learning part. What you have learned, what you have learned from that particular incident response. This is a very important part. Incident response is essential for minimizing harm and prevent future breaches. So that's how we actually handle the incident response. That's how we report it. And when you will come in the cybersecurity field, you will get to know much about these things. So this is just a basic one I'm telling. And this incident response is like a investigation and analysis is very important in these things, especially in this incident response.